welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play. But this will be one in Afrikaans, for the people who wants to learn Afrikaans. So first of all, let's create the world. So we are going into single player, enkel speler. And we're going to make a new world, maak nuwe wêreld. And we are going with survival, oorlewing. And we are going to call this Afrikaans world. And make new world, maak nuwe wêreld. So my goal of this series will just be to give people a slow, basic understanding of Afrikaans. So it will be only that. We are in. The first thing is, what we are going to do is break down a tree. So chop down a tree, kap af 'n boom. So first of all, we need to look for a tree. And I probably should just increase my render distance. Okay, over here are some trees. So let's just go and mine it down and get some wood, which is hout. And after that, I would like to get some wool for a bait. It stays the same spelling also. Bed. Oh, and these sheep are called skape. Skape. You spell it, there you go. S-K-A-A-P-E. Skape. So then we should probably kill the sheep for the wool, which is wol. Okay, so first of all I want to craft some sticks, which is stok, of stokke, stok. So place 2 there. Oh no, sorry, I was crafting a sword. Sword. Hout, sword. Wooden sword. Hout, sword. Okay, and we got some wool. Wol. And 3 would be nice. Okay, over there of a sheep. I should probably just mine my crafting table to take it with me. Okay, that's lovely. Okay, here is the sheep, the skaap. Okay, we have 2 wool. Ons het 2 wol. Now we have 3. So what else? Oh yes, of course, crafting a bed. Bait. So it stays the same. Okay, let's find some cows. Over there is a cow and I am going to kill him. Vermoor hom. Kill, vermoor. So this is a cow, koei. En dit gee vir ons rou beesvleis, raw beef. So bees is other word for cow. So bees cow. And here are more skape. Lovely, and another bees. Okay, laat ek hierdie skaap doodmaak. Let me kill this sheep. Wonderful. Wonderlik. And this one. Okay, now for the other half of the video, I'm completely going to speak in Afrikaans, so that you can understand it better. Okay, so nou, so ek 'n furnace wil maak om my vleis mee in te braai, sodat dit gaar is, dat ek dit kan eet. Hierso is nog stene, so laat ek nog 'n pik maak, 'n houtpik. Hierso is my houtpik. Nou breek ek die grond en laat ek bietjie steentjies breek. Ek gaan so vir 'n paar steentjies en ek gaan my huis in die kant van die klip maak. So kom ons kry net genoeg steentjies. Daarso, die area is groot genoeg. En laat ek my tafel breek, my werksbank, en 'n oond maak. Oond. En laat ons nog hout kry. Laat ek planke kan maak. Kyk, dit sal amper genoeg wees. Dit is genoeg. Nou kan ek 'n deur maak, sodat ek proteksie het. En ons het my braaivleis. Braaivleis. Cooked beef. Laat ek daai skaap gaan doodmaak. Die skaap gaan doodgaan. Die skaap is dood. Daar is nog 'n skaap. Die skaap is dood. Ek het 8 wol. 8 wol. En 16 rou skaapvleis. 16 rou skaapvleis. 5 braaivleis. 5 braaivleis. 3 leervel. 3 leervel. Nog 'n skaap. En nou waar het ek nou my buis gesit hierso? 4 braaivleis. Steengrys. Die son sak. The sun sets. Gaar skaapvleis. Gaar skaapvleis. Okay, and this is the end of the video of episode 1. Hoped you learned maybe something. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.